Good morning from the National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas. This is the morning weather briefing for Monday, July 10th, 2023. And once again, the main concern or the main story in the forecast for the next few days will be heat, as we have expanded the heat advisory across parts of the Big Country this morning and into parts of the Northwest Hill Country. That was already in place for the Concho Valley and Heartland areas yesterday, for today, that is. We're looking at temperatures climbing into the 100 to 104 degree range. Heat index values could be as high as 108 degrees in these areas as well. So we will have that heat advisory in effect for the afternoon into portions of the evening hours. Of course, if you can, please try to stay inside in air-conditioned buildings during the heat of the day. Drink plenty of water. You want to stay hydrated. And, of course, never leave children or pets inside a closed vehicle in these kinds of conditions. But other than that, if you have to be out in the heat working or doing some other activity, please try to take as many breaks as possible. Of course, stay hydrated, drink as much water as you can, and if you can take breaks, preferably inside an air-conditioned building or car would be the best for those breaks. Other than the heat today, we are also looking at a chance for showers and thunderstorms across portions of the area. We have a marginal risk and a slight risk for strong to severe thunderstorms, mainly for areas north of Interstate 20. We have a slight risk in our northern Big Country areas, anywhere from Sweetwater to near Abilene. That also includes Haskell and Throckmorton areas tonight. Also comes close to Albany as well in Shackelford County. The main concerns will be damaging winds over 60 miles an hour and lightning. There could be some hail with these storms as well, but we don't expect it to be large hail. So the highest potential hazards will be the winds and lightning. The timing for these thunderstorms, mainly after dark, so mainly after 9 o'clock tonight through 3 a.m. this morning. Please make sure you have multiple ways to receive these warnings if you can. And we should see those thunderstorms taking shape late this afternoon or early evening to the northwest, and then moving in from the northwest into the Big Country area tonight. As for the rest of the forecast into this weekend, we are looking at those hot temperatures, so we'll likely see heat advisories continue through most of this work week. We may have to expand the heat advisory across more areas of west central Texas, and may even need to upgrade some of those areas into an excessive heat warning, especially for the Concho Valley and Heartland areas during the Wednesday into Thursday time frame, but we'll take a closer look at that as we get closer to those days. Suffice to say, it's going to be dangerously hot through most of this week, so please remember the advice earlier to take as many breaks as possible if you have to be out in the heat. Try to get into air-conditioned spaces if you can, and make sure you stay hydrated. That is the morning weather briefing for this Monday morning. Please check back tomorrow for an updated briefing. Thanks.